Good evening. This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.com for Tuesday, February 3rd. Nice little rally on Wall Street today, up 140 points. And this was despite the financials actually being pretty weak on the day. So that is a positive sign, at least for the near term on the market. Dow 15-minute chart here. We broke out of another bullish falling wedge that we've been in. This one started when Kramer called the top a week and a half ago, and yesterday he said to stay away from tech. So of course the market bounced back today because it likes to do the opposite of that clown. Dow daily chart gives us a better picture here. Looks like we possibly held support. We did close above 8,000 today. We get a break at 8,100 tomorrow. We could see 150 to 200 point upside on a break of the 8-day moving average, and then we could quickly move to 8250 and then 8450 to 8500. That's where our major resistance level is right now. Volume was pretty decent today. One positive thing on the Dow that I like, stochastics remain in the basement here, so this gives us room for an upside move near term. We've got a lot of positive catalysts coming, at least in the near term. The TARP 2 plan from Obama and the bad bank plan that he's putting together, stimulus information. So shorts probably should be a little bit worried here. Downside at this stage, I think upside is a hell of a lot more than downside. And we should see some nice moves in the near term. VIX continues to make lower highs is what we like to see, and we should finally see a smackdown in the VIX. And the good thing about this is it allows us to swing stocks with more comfort. You know, we don't have to worry about the market tanking 500 points in an hour like it was back when the VIX was sky high a couple of months ago. So VIX again is the bull's friend right now and not the bear's friend. SMH continued strength here. Looks really good. Tech stocks have been very, very strong over the last couple of days. As you can see, unbalanced volume has really spiked on the SMH over the last couple of weeks. And actually, over the last month, buying volume has been very, very good, especially in the SMH. And with the financial stocks in the toilet, it looks like the techs are trying to step up to the plate, which is a very good sign for us. New stock plays, BCON. We've been in this one for a few days now. Absolutely huge news came out before the close today, in my opinion. U.S. Navy signed an agreement with Beacon to trial their flywheel technology on Navy ships. If this is not a clarification, or clarification's a poor word, if this is not a major endorsement of BCON's technology, I don't know what is. This stock should bust out big time in the next few days. I am liking this one a lot in the medium term. Breakout here, 52 cents. We should see this break tomorrow. I think this is going to be a huge move in BCON near term. Would be looking to add any dips into the 40s on this one. First target 70 cents, then a dollar. This stock should take off over the next few weeks. Remember, the stimulus plan that's coming out has a huge amount of money for the electrical grid storage and maintenance, and BCON is becoming a big player in this one. And as I've made known over the last week or so, I really think alternative energy stocks are going to take off and be the next hot sector. BCON chart, breakout on RSI over 50. ADX positive cross, on balance volume looks really good. Loving the setup on this stock right now. If we take a simple Fibonacci bounce point, taking the $1.70 high back in October and the 35-cent low, and we take a 50% retracement, we're looking at a move to $1 on this one in the medium term. So really like this stock near term, and we'll be considering accumulating it on all dips. CPST is our other alternative energy play. Had nice news today. Stock closed right at its breakout here. First target, $1.10 plus on this one. And again, we'll be looking to add this one on any dips into the mid 80s. RSI up over 50. We got a positive MACD cross today. We got a positive ADX cross. And stochastics, nice move up through 50. So our alternative energy stocks are starting to take off slowly but surely. before the rest of the market notices, which is usually the case with our plays. QTWW, this is our play on the electric car slash they also have a solar subsidiary. Nice move today. The guy who's been accumulating it walked it down again on low volume before it popped back late in the day. Like this one for a move up to $1.20 over the next couple of weeks with stops at 80 cents on it. Stochastics in the basement and getting ready for one of its big moves. ETFC was another new alert today. This is a play on the TARP 2 news that we expect from Obama in the next few days, and the reason, like I said in the alert today, ETFC, they reported their earnings last week. All the skeletons are out of the closet. I think this is a pretty good risk-reward financial play in the near term. If the financial stocks do take off, this one should take off just as well. So, you know, we're playing a financial, but we're playing one that we know and I believe, at least in the near term, has decent risk-reward. First target, $1.40 on this one. DSCO was a trading alert today, but the stock got ahead of us. It spiked when I didn't really want it to spike. Very, very nice setup. Cup and handle formation, 1 month chart, 3 month handle. Exactly what you want to see on this kind of formation. Target is the 200-day moving average. That's at $1.64. Nice volume breakout today. Broke out of 3-month resistance on really good volume. Would look to add this one on any dips under $1.30. I will be looking to accumulate some more on this one. Positive MACD crossover. I mean, just look at the chart. Positive MACD cross, huge volume spike, ADX, huge spike, and Stochastics broke its 3-month downtrend line. So this one looks very, very good over the next few days. ASTM, our stemmer stocks, sort of treaded water today. We're still waiting on Obama news. It is coming. So, you know, ASTM looks fine. ATHX, though, continued its breakout move today. High is 128, looking really, really good here. No reason why this one really can't go on a huge move given its float near term target, 160 plus. As you can see, ADX very strong. All the indicators very, very strong on this one. OPXA, when ATHX continues its breakout, we should see this one at least move to its 200-day moving average. That's 82 cents. You know, that's a 50% move from here with minimal downside at this stage. So we'd be looking to add this one on any dips. And then last but not least, SONS Cash Rich tech stock that is also a play on the Obama infrastructure plan. Cisco, I believe, reports earnings tomorrow. SONS always moves with Cisco. Stock loves its 50-day moving average, hasn't touched it in about a week, so we're due for a spike above $1.50 on this one in the near term. And that's pretty much it for the video tonight. I will mention BCON, love the news, love the chart setup, and I think this one's going to be very, very nice over the near term. That's it for the video. See you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Good night.